In this video, I will show the unboxing of the makeblock mBot Mega Robot Kit. This kit uses a microprocessor called mBot, in which it is compatible with the Raspberry Pi interface. In addition, the user can use Scratch or the Arduino IDE. You can also connect Raspberry Pi and use Python to program. So let's look around the box a bit. We have right here a couple of the components inside. And up here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Scratch and Arduino C programming supporting. The C language is pretty popular for machine programming. A little bit about background about the company. It's founded by Jason Wang from China, and he was actually ranked as one of the 30 top entrepreneurs under the age of 30 by Forbes China. Let's look around the box a little bit before we continue on. Okay. There you go. Nothing special. It just says made in China, the website. Okay. Let's open it up. All right. We have some free membership, 1-year warranty, 50+ tutorials and plan resources, 20% off coupons. Okay. All right. Some additional stuff. Okay. All right. And put this right here on the side. That's pretty cool. Here's the manual, guys. Let's see what we have here. Okay, list of parts. By the way, they also provide an interactive manual instructions on their website. I will go ahead and put those links in the description so where you guys can find it. Also, before we continue on, please like my video, comment below, share it, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. For those who would like to donate, I also have put my PayPal account underneath. And also for those who need some tutoring services, I have my Patreon site also in the description. For now, I'm doing some statistics and high school algebra. So please check it out. So let's continue with this. See what else we have here. Okay. All right. All right. Let's have the motors. Okay. And so pretty much this robot is going to come semi apart, and you guys will need to put it together and program it. Now, it will also bring some already reprogrammed commands in there and demos. Yep. Okay, and this is the track. Okay. Let's put this away. Be careful when you guys unfold this track. I almost rip a little piece of the paper. Okay, let's continue. So let's see, comes with this box, and this one. Okay. All right. I guess I'll start with the small one first. Let's see what it gives us. All right. The bags are pretty secure, so that's good. All right. Let me make some more space over here and see what we have. Okay, so in this orange box, we got these little guys. I have 2 of these. These are the RGB LEDs. Let's see if we can. Yeah, it says LEDs. Okay, there's two of them. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, let me just adjust my zooming here. Okay. So here we have three of these, and these are the infrared proximity sensors. There it goes. There's three of these. Okay. Put this on the side. There's two of these. These are the impact sensors. I'm sorry, impact switches. And then there's two of these. These are the line tracking sensors. Let me see. There it goes. Okay. Okay. Let me see this right here. These are the DC motor drivers. Just two of them. Okay. All right. Okay, now we're gonna do the Jello box here. So we have here some wires, the battery holder. Yep. DC motors. And this part of the upper shell of the casing. Okay. As you guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but pretty much there's no soldering involved here needed. The wires are all pretty much snap in. Even the components are either snap or screw on. Now we're doing the blue box, guys. Let's open it up. Here's the wheels. Can't really tell what's inside here. The USB cable is inside here, guys. Yes. All right. What else do we have here? This part of the casing. Let's see, looks like some brackets. This right here, oh, this is the Mega Pi, the microprocessor or the interface. Yeah, the microprocessor. And of course we have there's the upper part of the shell. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and put these things together and keep an eye out for my next video, how these things got all put together. Thank you guys for watching. Again, please don't forget to like my video, comment below, share it, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And again, I have my PayPal and also my Patreon account underneath on the description. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye.